while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness. Today I'm gonna be doing a period life hacks video. Here you'll find everything you need to know about period hacks. So please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more life hacks. My first hack is to use an app to track your period. I think this tip is so important. My favorite app is my Cycles app. Now I'm gonna show you an easy solution for heavy flow days.
With the memories like a symphony, and you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name?
For more security on your period, wear spandex shorts under leather pants. You can use a dark colored towel that you can easily wash. Always be prepared with an emergency kit.
Looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves, and there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like
All we have a nice underwears, but when you're in a period, wear period-specific underwear. And I prefer wearing darker colored underwear during my period. If you get your period outside, like when you're in school or college and you have an emergency pad, so what will you do? So guys, I'll show you my trick to solve this big problem.
now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? Trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what
You can make a special design for sleeping by using a regular bed and make it longer by another one like this.
Into the infinite that we must reach. Into the infinite that we must reach. Into the infinite that we must reach. Into the infinite that we must reach.
Your lips, they tasted like those cigarettes, staring at the moon.
Or you can use this.
Go to bed in my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit
Place over top of your bed sheets before sleeping to avoid bloody spots.
a bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
Finally, you should avoid caffeine and sodium. Stay hydrated and drink more water. I hope you guys enjoying watching. I really hope some of these tips are helpful for you guys. If you have another tips or tricks or life hacks, let me know in comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed in my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we